Here at Long Arm Creek, got water temps about 43.3 degrees. It's like 35-degree air temperature. It's pretty cold, so I don't know about catching any fish today. We got a good chop on the water. I'm starting out by throwing a jerk bait into these rocks here. They're wind blown. I'm thinking they're going to hold a little bit of heat. So if I don't catch anything here, I'm going to go over to the creek, stay out of the wind a little bit, and hopefully we get something. All right, so you guys can see on my depth finder, I do have a bottom composition change. You get much stronger return, so the bottom here is probably going to be a lot warmer than the rest. So I'm going to concentrate on this area a little bit and maybe throw a bottom bait before I move on. All right, there's the first fish of the day, guys. Oh yeah, my first long arm bass of the season. I am so pumped. This is what I love the most, kayak fishing. Oh, it's a brute too. Wow, nice fish. Oh, and he choked it. Oh yeah, woo! That's a nice fish. Look at that, absolutely freaking beautiful tank. I love it. Let's let him go. So I just want to show you guys what I used to catch that last fish. This is a Rapala bluegill colored jerk bait. It was just real erratic pauses. I found some hard bottom returns over here where it was a little bit warmer, and he just slammed it. It was awesome. So I'm going to keep fishing these rocks over here. It's real wind blown, as you can see, so it's blowing a lot of the nutrients and bait fish and stuff up against these rocks, and these bass are just going to be feeding. So hopefully we catch some more. Another fish, guys, on the jerk bait. Woo-wee. I don't think this is a bass. Oh, it's a bass. Come here, Big Daddy. All right, and another one. Old Larry Largemouth has come out to play. Very nice. Another beautiful long arm fish. Love these things. Put up such a great fight, especially on the kayak. Same pattern for that last fish there. Just throwing this slow sinking jerk bait against these rocks. I think with this wind blowing into them, it's really stirring up a lot of stuff, and they're just feeding, especially now that the sun's coming out a little bit. We're getting a little bit more visibility for the jerk bait, and it's also warming it up.